Hi everyone, it's Erin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to teach (G)I-DLE's new song called Lion, which they recently performed in the variety show called Queendom. So I thought this dance was quite fierce and pretty at the same time, and they actually dropped a music video teaser today, which means that a new music video is gonna come out soon. I have no idea if they're gonna perform this dance, but I thought I would just teach it really fast for those who want to learn. My absolute favorite part was, I think, Minnie's high note. It was so good. Anyway, I'm gonna teach the chorus and let's get started. Okay, so starting off is Miyoung's part. So she actually starts at the very back and then she walks forward. I don't have a lot of space here, so I'm just gonna walk in very little steps. So the first 8 beats look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically, for the first 4 beats, you're gonna walk forward 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. As you do that, you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the first 2 beats, your right hand is gonna be on your waist and your left hand is you're gonna like throw it up on the 1 and then, or I guess on the half beat, and then you're gonna kind of like let it come down vertically. So it's gonna come down a straight line, and as you do that, you kind of wanna like close your fist, okay? So the first 2 beats look like 1, 2. And then for 3, 4, you keep walking, but now your hands you're gonna do like a lion claw thing, where like it looks like this, and then it's gonna like go across your face, like crisscross here, like 3, and then for 4, it's gonna go up your head, so it's gonna look like a crown, okay? So first 4 beats look like 1, 2, 3, 4. As you do 4, when you're like wearing the crown, you want to kind of tilt your head up a little bit so you look like very proud, okay? Okay, so then after the crown, you're gonna do 5, 6. Okay, so 5, you're gonna step out with your right leg and you're gonna lean towards the right. So your stability is on your right leg, and then your left hand is gonna come to the side, and then your right hand is go 1, 2. So it's like 5 and, so up and then down. Okay, so 5 and then 6, you're gonna come this way. So your weight is gonna shift to your left leg. Your left hand doesn't move, and your right hand is gonna move in like towards the middle. And for the 5 and 6, your hands are not as clawy. They're more like horizontal, like your fingers are not as curled. Okay, so so you're at 4 and then you're gonna do 5, 6. Okay, 5 and 6, and then for 7, 8, so for Miyoung's part, your both hands are gonna come in front of your chest and you're gonna like slowly open like this. And then for your butt, you're gonna move to the right, move to the back, and then move to the left. So all together, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so on to the next 8 beats. It's gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the last 8th beat, you are, where are you? You are here, right? You just did 7, 8, and you're gonna kind of like turn your body more to the right, so you're pointing, like facing this way, and then you're gonna kind of have like this motion, like you're gonna open your hands and then close beside your chest. So 1, and then for 2, you're gonna kind of like sit down a little bit, and then your butt is gonna come like to the front just a little bit. So it looks like 1 and then 2, and as you do that, your hands are gonna be on your sides and then go down twice. So 1, 2, and. Okay, so 1, 2, and. Okay, then for 3, you're gonna kick this way with your left leg, and your hands are gonna come in front of you and crisscross. You're kind of like doing like this motion. Okay, so 3, And then for 4, your legs are gonna be in this position, like slightly bent, and your weight is centered. And then you're gonna do 4. Okay, so it's 4 and then so basically your arms come to the forward and then come out, pretty straightforward. And then for 6, you're gonna turn this way. It's like your body is moving to the right and your hands are gonna close to fists. And you're gonna kind of like glide it over to your right side. And here you kind of wanna like, I guess, bend your knees just a tiny bit more, and you want to bend your back. So there's a nice curve, so it looks like this. So this is 6, 7, and then for 8, you're gonna do like this motion. So I see this most prominent by Soojin. The other members kind of just like slide their arms to the left, but she actually like, how do I explain this? So for her left arm kind of like goes up like this. And then for her right arm, she kind of does like this pathing. She kind of like scoops it up. And as she scoops it up, she kind of does like a little wave. So basically, you're kind of like going like this, and then here, and then as you scoop up, you're kind of bending down a little bit more, and your butt comes up, and you're really, really like bending your back. So it looks like this, okay? So it looks like that, okay? So again, this way, move, and then up a little, okay? So that's the first 2 beats. Let's review them. So you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, perfect. So now let's move on to the second part of the chorus. So this is gonna be Yuki or Yuchi's part. So she's gonna be, I think she's behind Miyeon. So she kind of like walks to the side, then walks to the front. So the first 8 beats is gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you're gonna kind of like do this motion, okay? This is the path you're gonna follow. And then she steps out with her left leg first, and then you kind of just like walk forward. And as you do that, your hands are gonna be by your side, and you're gonna kind of like rise up, like, you know, this motion. So you do 1, 2, and then for 3, your hands are gonna close into fists, okay? And then for 4, you're gonna step to the front with your right leg, and then your hands are gonna kind of crisscross in front of you. So your wrist is gonna bend in and then be like here, okay? And as you do that, you wanna like step with your right leg, and then your left leg is gonna be lifted like this. So this is 4, and then 5, 6, you kind of just like step, or your arms just kind of like fall down, and then you step into center. And then you're gonna prepare for the next move. So it's gonna look like 7 and then 8. Okay, so for 7, your hands are gonna go in the crisscross like this, and then come to the side out like this, okay? And then for your legs, you're gonna step on your left leg. You're kind of like jump on your left leg, and your right leg is gonna glide out like this. So it's gonna look like 7 and then 8. So the 8 is like, I guess, a leg changing move. You're gonna prepare for the next 8 beats. So after you're here, you land on your right foot, and then you step on your left foot, and then you step out with your right foot, okay? So together it looks like 7 and then 8. Okay, so then afterwards, the next 8 beats are gonna look pretty similar to the second 8 beats, okay? So it's gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so for 1, instead of doing this motion from the last time, we're gonna do just like come out to the side, and your palms are gonna be open. So 1, 2 is the same thing, you do the 2 shakes. 3 is the same thing, and then for 4, you know how last time we did this? This time we're gonna crisscross your hands, okay? 4 and the same thing, just glide out. 5 and 6 is the same thing. For 7, you're gonna do like this, okay? So basically, you're doing like a forward body roll. Starting from here, you wanna kind of like, for each part of your body, you wanna rotate to kind of like go forward. Not rotate, but I guess like one by one, you wanna like bring it forward. So like this, okay? So here forward, and here forward. As you do that, your arms are gonna open out like this, okay? So 7, okay? And then for 8, you're just gonna kind of lean forward and your body is gonna be a little closed. And your hands are gonna be in like the lion claws in front of you. Left hand is gonna be down, right hand is gonna be up. You're gonna look like this, okay? So let's review the last 2 8 beats, okay? So the you cheese part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, awesome. Let's review all of the 4 8 beats together. Ready? Okay, so it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's it for this dance tutorial. That was pretty short and easy. Leave me a comment below if you found this video helpful or if you learned the dance. Subscribe for more dance covers and dance tutorials, and I'll see you next time. Bye.